Okay, hello everybody. So now a chance for you to do some of the practical exercises. So a couple of things just to note I've posted in the chat window as well. Yeah, my apologies. The source code version on GitHub, I've failed to update that. So please just copy the version on ARCHER2 as described in this slide here, and use that version. That's got the modules and the account name fixed in it. The other thing to note is that so we're not using node reservations for this course, but it's fine to just develop and test your code on the login nodes. So you can just run on the run stuff on the login nodes. Obviously, that's not going to give you very accurate. It will give you some idea of performance, but you won't get very accurate performance measurements. So if you want performance measurements, then do use the batch scripts. But if you want to get a bit faster turnaround, you can just change in the batch scripts, change QoS equals standard to QoS equals short, and then those jobs should run quicker.